Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that could transform your relationship with food forever: mindful eating. Whether you're here to lose weight, improve your health, or simply want to enjoy your meals more, stick around. This video will explore everything from what mindful eating is to practical tips you can start using today. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your plate the same way again. So, let's get started. What is mindful eating? First things first, what exactly is mindful eating? Mindful eating is more than just a trend. It's a practice rooted in ancient traditions like Buddhism. At its core, mindful eating is about paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. It's about being present, really present, with your food. Imagine this: you sit down with a meal. You're not distracted by your phone, TV, or even your thoughts. Instead, you're fully engaged with your food, the colors, textures, smells, and flavors. You chew slowly, savoring each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. That's mindful eating. Why mindful eating matters? Now you might be wondering, why is mindful eating so important? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to eat on autopilot, grabbing a quick bite on the go, eating while scrolling through social media, or devouring a meal while watching TV. The problem with this is that we often eat more than we need, and we don't even enjoy it. Mindful eating helps you break free from this cycle. It encourages you to slow down, tune into your body, and appreciate the food you eat. This can lead to a whole host of benefits, from better digestion to improved mental health. Mindful eating and weight loss. Let's talk about one of the most popular reasons people turn to mindful eating: weight loss. Mindful eating can be a game changer when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. But how exactly does it work? When you eat mindfully, you become more aware of what and how much you're eating. You're less likely to overeat because you're paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Instead of eating until you're stuffed, you eat until you're satisfied. Over time, this can lead to weight loss without the need for strict diets or calorie counting. The science behind mindful eating and weight loss. There's actual science behind this too. Studies have shown that people who practice mindful eating tend to lose more weight and keep it off compared to those who don't. Why? Because mindful eating helps you develop a healthier relationship with food. You're no longer eating out of boredom, stress, or habit. You're eating because your body truly needs nourishment. One study published in the Journal of Obesity found that participants who practiced mindful eating not only lost weight, but also reported fewer episodes of binge eating. Another study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that mindfulness interventions were effective in reducing body weight and improving eating behaviors. Tips for mindful eating. Alright, so how do you start eating mindfully? Here are some practical tips to get you started. Slow down, take your time with each bite. Chew slowly and savor the flavors. This not only helps you enjoy your food more, but also gives your body time to signal when it's full. Eliminate distractions. When it's time to eat, focus on eating. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and create a calm environment where you can fully engage with your meal. Engage your senses. Pay attention to the colors, smells, textures, and tastes of your food. This can make eating a more enjoyable and immersive experience. Listen to your body. Learn to recognize your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not when you're stuffed. Portion control. Start with smaller portions and serve your food on smaller plates. This simple trick can help prevent overeating. Practice gratitude. Before you eat, take a moment to appreciate the food on your plate. Think about where it came from, who prepared it, and how it will nourish your body. Mindful eating journal. Keep a journal to track your eating habits. Write down what you ate, how you felt before and after the meal, and any emotions that came up. This can help you identify patterns and make more mindful choices. Mindful eating diet, a holistic approach. Let's take a closer look at the concept of a mindful eating diet. Unlike traditional diets that focus on restrictions and rules, a mindful eating diet is all about flexibility and self-compassion. It's not about counting calories or banning certain foods. It's about tuning into your body's needs and making choices that feel right for you. Here's how you can incorporate mindful eating into your daily diet. Balanced meals. Start by creating balanced meals with a variety of nutrients. Include whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Mindful snacking. When you snack, do it mindfully. Choose snacks that will satisfy both your hunger and your taste buds. Avoid mindless munching by eating only when you're truly hungry. Hydration. Drink water throughout the day and be mindful of your beverage choices. Pay attention to how different drinks make you feel, whether it's coffee, tea, or juice. Mindful indulgence. It's okay to enjoy treats now and then. The key is to do it mindfully. Savor each bite and stop when you're satisfied, not when you're full. Rules of mindful eating. Now, let's talk about some of the fundamental rules of mindful eating. These aren't hard and fast rules, but rather guiding principles to help you stay on track. Eat with awareness. Always be aware of what you're eating and why. Ask yourself if you're eating out of hunger, habit, or emotion. Eat with intention. Set an intention before you eat. This could be something as simple as, I want to nourish my body, or I want to enjoy this meal fully. Stay present. Keep your mind focused on the present moment while you eat. If you notice your thoughts drifting, gently bring them back to your meal. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. If you slip up and eat mindlessly, don't beat yourself up. Acknowledge it, learn from it, and move on. Enjoy your food. Food is one of life's greatest pleasures, so enjoy it. Take the time to appreciate the flavors, textures, and aromas of your meals. How to eat mindfully to stay healthy. Eating mindfully isn't just about weight loss, it's also about overall health. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to make healthier food choices and develop a better relationship with food. Here's how mindful eating can help you stay healthy. Better digestion. When you eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly, your body can digest it more easily. This can reduce bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. Improved nutrient absorption. Mindful eating encourages you to choose nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body. When you eat these foods mindfully, your body can absorb the nutrients more effectively. Reduced stress. Mindful eating can be a form of meditation. It helps you relax and focus on the present moment, which can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Balanced blood sugar levels. By paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, you're less likely to overeat or indulge in sugary snacks, which can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. How to lose weight with a mindful diet. If weight loss is your goal, a mindful diet can be incredibly effective. Here's how to use mindful eating to shed those extra pounds. Tune into hunger cues. Before you eat, ask yourself if you're truly hungry. If not, find another way to address the emotion you're feeling, whether it's boredom, stress, or loneliness. Eat until satisfied, not full. Stop eating when you're satisfied, not when you're stuffed. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness, so take your time and eat slowly. Mindful portion control. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control your portion sizes. This simple trick can help you eat less without feeling deprived. Mindful indulgence. Allow yourself to enjoy your favorite foods, but do it mindfully. Savor each bite and stop when you're satisfied. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. Practice mindful eating regularly, and over time, you'll see the results. Special notes and interesting facts. Now let's dive into some interesting notes about mindful eating that you might not have heard before. The chocolate meditation. Did you know that chocolate is often used in mindful eating exercises? The idea is to eat a piece of chocolate slowly, savoring every aspect of it, from the way it melts in your mouth to the complex flavors that unfold with each bite. This can help you develop a deeper appreciation for food and the mindful eating practice. Mindful eating versus intuitive eating. While they're similar, mindful eating and intuitive eating aren't the same. Intuitive eating is about listening to your body's natural hunger and fullness cues without any external diet rules, while mindful eating focuses more on the experience and awareness of eating. Mindful eating and emotional eating. One of the biggest benefits of mindful eating is its ability to curb emotional eating. By paying attention to your emotions and eating with intention, you're less likely to turn to food for comfort. Mindful eating for kids. Teaching kids to eat mindfully can set them up for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. Encourage them to listen to their bodies, eat slowly, and enjoy their food without distractions. And there you have it. Mindful eating is more than just a way to lose weight. It's a holistic approach to food and health. By slowing down, tuning into your body, and savoring each bite, you can transform your relationship with food and enjoy a healthier, happier life. So, whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your health, or simply enjoy your meals more, give mindful eating a try. Start small, maybe with just one meal a day, and gradually build up from there. Trust me, the benefits are well worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, eat mindfully, live fully. See you in the next video.